So what we have here then is, some people call it the skirting board on the stairs. So it's called the string of the stairs, which is an integral part of the stairs. So what we do here is, rather than cut it round like that, because you always find that it's a bit chewed up on the end. So rather than fit it, cut it round like that, left that loose, I'm about to take it off. We cut it straight down there, so the skirting can be cut straight. It goes straight up to it. Looks $1 million better. I'll show you in a minute. Diddy. There we go. So 5 minutes more work